Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how the Safari event works in Grow a Garden new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Safari update has been dropped in Grow a Garden game of Roblox, and I'm going to show you how you can join this event. Okay guys, you just need to go to this area and then you can submit the required fruits to this NPC. And now the NPC is looking for the stalky plants, so we need to submit the stalky plants to this NPC. And if I'm not mistaken, the stalky plants are the plants like burning bud and then Brussels sprout and then the vine and so on. And I'm just going to submit all my plants to this NPC. Okay, and after you submit the plants guys, you will gain points and you will get your individual reward after you reach 500 points. And these are the possible reward that you will get from reaching 500 points. And then guys, you need to work with the other players in Grow a Garden, and you can monitor the points here. This is the global Safari points, and we need more Safari points to unlock items from here. So this is the Safari shop. Okay, and these are the items that have been unlocked, and we need more points to unlock new seeds and new pet. Okay, for example, for the seed we need to reach this milestone, 300 millions milestone, and this is the maximum milestone. Okay, so we can work with the community to unlock new seeds or new pet from the Safari shop. Okay, and this is new concept in Grow Garden guys, and I think it's nice. And yeah, you just need to harvest your fruits or your plants, and then you can submit to the NPC, and then you will get your individual reward. And let me see the community milestone. Okay, we need to reach this milestone to unlock new items. Okay guys, and that's how the Safari event works in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.